Hi everyone, this is my project called Find the Letters. It's a game, so I'm running the game. As you can see, the balls here they are letters. The letters got away, and you need to find them. The game works this way: there's an image in the top portion of the screen, and below there will be instructions. So let's go to the next page. Click anywhere to continue. Now there are instructions. Image will be shown. Choose a word object according to the tips below. Scroll down till you see me. Scrolling down. So there's this flower image and here there will be tips. So we are going to tap on objects and then choose one letter from it. Let's continue the game. So we have three words here, go or no. Let's see go. It says it's not this word. Or again it's not this word. No, no is the correct word. Click anywhere to continue. So now we have to choose a letter in the word no. I'm choosing O. It's not O, so it's definitely N. Now a letter N is collected. Click anywhere to continue. Choose word with E. So obviously it's the word whole. Let me try another. It says it's not this word. So now I'm choosing whole. Correct word. Click anywhere to continue. Now we have three letters H O L. Obviously we removed E. So H it says no. O it says no. L. L is the correct letter. Letter that is a pronoun. It's not this. I. I is the letter we are collecting in this level. So next level. Locate cloud. Is this cloud? Correct character. Can you wait to continue? Pick shells from. U. No. O. No. It's C. Most repeated letter. N is repeated two times. O is repeated once. I. S. H. R once. E is repeated thrice. So E. It's correct. Not the words with letters found before. E is from here. One only has L. I is done. TH is done. M. AM. Choose a letter. M. No. A. White object in the sky. How about I click on flower? It's also white. Not me. Cloud. It's not cloud. So it's moon. Click anywhere to continue. Tap on twice. Letter is collected. Choose an adjective. Here, cloud is crying. Sad. Correct word. Click anywhere to continue. S A D. Correct. Letter D is collected. Capitalized word. There are two capitalized words. Stop and crying. Crying. It's not this one. Stop. S no. T no. P. This is how I make my best friend cloud ready for final level. Make the words from correct letters. Click anywhere to continue. So now we have to use these letters and make these words. So as I know the answer, let's try wrong letters. NLIAODP. It says wrong and it's reset. Now let's try the correct one. O D code I N P L A. Code in place. Correct. Anywhere to continue. There are some fireworks and my game is done. Thank you.